AI is getting better fast. It can write, design, code, even generate videos. So it's normal to wonder which jobs are actually safe. Here are 5 jobs artificial intelligence will never replace. Not because AI isn't powerful, but because these roles depend on things machines don't have. 1. Skilled trades electricians, plumbers, carpenters. These jobs require working in unpredictable physical environments. Every house is different. Every problem is unique. AI can give instructions, but it can't crawl under a sink or rewire a building too. Healthcare professionals, doctors, nurses, and caregivers do more than diagnose. They read emotions, build trust, make judgment calls in high-pressure situations. AI can assist, but responsibility and human care can't be automated. 3. Teachers and educators. Teaching isn't just delivering information, it's adapting to students, motivating them, understanding how they learn. AI can support education, but it can't replace human mentorship. 4. Creative directors and strategists. Artificial intelligence generate ideas, but deciding what matters and why is still human. Creative leadership depends on taste, culture, timing, and intuition. That's not something you can fully automate. 5. Leadership and decision makers, CEOs, managers, entrepreneurs. These roles involve ethics, accountability, and long-term vision. AI can analyze data, but it can't take responsibility for decisions that affect real people. AI won't replace humans, but humans who know how to work with AI will replace those who don't. The future isn't about avoiding AI, it's about staying human.